Hip hop track. Let's start. Inhale and exhale. Hips to diagonal, down and up. Come back. Very good. Go down with hips. Okay. Step 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Open march. Repeat. One more time. Switch. Very good. Now we add an arm in number 2 and 6. Watch. Up. Switch. Only 4 marches. And shoulders and fast march. Up and down. Up and down. Step. Up. Yes. Open march. Shoulder up and down. Are you ready? Watch. Yes. Now, come forward with the march and come back with the first march and shoulders. Yes. Very good. Come on. Come back. Are you ready? Kick. Torso. Torso. Come on. Come back. Again, kick. Go up. Switch and torso. Yes. 2 more times. Kick. Very good. Move your torso on your hip. Last time. Very good. Come back. Okay. Cross and lunge. And diagonal pose. Open march. You got it? Cross and lunge. Cross, lunge. Cross, lunge, diagonal. Yes. Now circle and push with your hands. Circle, push. And hips from beginning. Yes. One more time. Circle. Push. Hips. Okay. Do you remember from the top, from the kick? And arms up. Go. Kick up. Switch. Come forward. Come back. Cross with circular hands and push. Hips. Very good. One more time. From the top. Kick. Woo. Very good. Come on. Back. Second part. Okay. Now slow motion. Kick. Watch. Kick. Step down. Cross. Open down. You got it? Look the count. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. More movements. Easy. Go. Kick. Cross. Bounces. 3. Up, down, up. Together. Middle, down. Kick. Very good. Cross. Go up, down, up. Together. Middle, down. Faster. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. You got it? One more time. Kick. Go. Okay, from the top. 4, 3, kick and up. Go. Torso. Switch. Come on. Come back. Cross. Lunge. Hips. Now new part. Kick. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. From the top. Kick. Woo. Very good. Shoulders. Cross. Hip. One more time. Yes. Are you ready? From the top. Kick. Yes. This is the last. Come on. Second part. combination.